Hey, I'm Emily from Good Offset, and today I have the Joyo American pedal to demo. This is an amp in a box situation on loan from Andrew Renard from the podcast. There's a podcast, please check it out. So I got my Tunatone Tuna, my Transit Labs cable, going into the Joyo, going into a DAW. So let's just there's not really going to be a clean sound, so yeah. I think it's supposed to sound kind of like a Fender American sort of amp, so I don't know anything about it really. I've seen them on Amazon, I've seen them on Reverb, so let's just play around with it. well, that's a quick run through of the Joyo American Sound. I think it sounds all right. Like, I have this plugged into headphones, so that's how I'm monitoring it. I think it's probably great for like playing around in your bedroom situations. I don't think it sounds quite up to snuff for playing live or using to seriously record projects. So that's something to look at. I think my biggest beef with this pedal is that, and like you can adjust the gain on your DAW to go down, but it's like, but if you turn up the gain, if you have the gain all the way down, like this is fine. Like, but if you really want to crank the gain here, there's such a fine line on this volume knob between too loud and causing clipping and I can't hear anything. So it's like there's just like this little usable spot right there, and it's, I think, a little too easy to go past it and just blow some speakers or whatever. But yeah, it's a nice little pedal, and it's I know that they're not super expensive. I mean, they're Joyo pedals. So yeah, if that's not a big concern for you, I say you should check it out. I especially like the voice knob with the dirt all the way up and this all the way up. I thought that sounded pretty good when the volume was in that nice little chef's kiss spot. So thanks to Andrew for loaning me that pedal. Thanks for watching. Thanks for understanding. Please like, subscribe, comment, etc. And until next time, goodbye.